What's up, YouTubians? Welcome back. I know you guys might be thinking, is Gary even really organized? And believe it or not, I am. If you look behind me, I like everything in its place. Everything has its place. I like being organized. And you're gonna go, well, Gary, come on, man. I've seen up there before. But it's organized. And one thing I can't stand is things falling, not fitting, not going back where they belong. So today, we're gonna make a little something, make life a little easier for us. Enter the new welding cart. Now this one came with the welder when I bought it. It's a little Harbor Freight stand. It works okay. Problem is my gas line. No matter how I move it, gas line hits the tank, bends, ruins my hose. I've got pieces of scrap metal to try to keep it forward some. Just doesn't work. So, of course, I'm like, you know, I really would like all my cutting stuff, grinding stuff, welding stuff all in one place instead of having to go here to try to get something. So, started looking on the internet, found some really nice welding carts. Harbor Freight actually has one. But I'm not dropping $350 for a welding cart. Come on, guys, you know me better than that. So, this is what we did. This puppy, believe it or not, 130 bucks at Home Depot. But check it out. Can you see it? Probably not. A tiny little dent. 100 bucks. So we need to turn this into something like that. Then I'll have drawers. And I'll have everything organized. Loving it. So, I picked up about 20 feet of angle iron. We're gonna make a little base for everything to sit on. We need to extend out the side so we have somewhere to put the tank. Let's get going. Let's see how easy and cheap we can make a nice welding cart. Stick around. All right, let me show you the quick idea here of what we're gonna do with the angle iron. We're gonna take the wheels off, build an angle iron frame, put the wheels to that way, we can set our tank here, right? Because we wanna be able to move the cart and a tank at the same time. So here's a rough sketch of what's gonna happen. We're essentially, there's the cart, 18 by 27. We're gonna have about a 9-inch overhang, little brace there. We'll put a plate there, drop the cabinet there. Sounds easy enough. How bad can we screw it up? So we got our notch pieces, that way we make nice corners. Right now I've just got it set up so we've got it 90'd. We've got it to the width we want. What I'm gonna do now is go ahead and throw just a couple tacks on it. Unfortunately with my MIG welder, we're gonna have to still use the 035 flux core wire, but it's all right. We'll make her happen. So now we're just gonna go ahead and tack the two sides, then we'll flip it around, tack the other side, measure square, make sure we're square, then we go ahead and weld it on up. Well, I have no idea when you guys stopped recording. Gotta love the GoPro. It cuts out. All right, everybody want to place your bets? Ha 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 ha.
Like a glove.
You even see? Look at that. Now you get an idea. So the bottle will sit here, just like that. Well, on the other side, because that's the side with the handle. But you get the gist. Now what we need to do, go ahead and tack some wheels on. Put a plate for up top there. And we can go ahead and get moving on a little further. All right, I think I want to go slightly offset. I can still put a decent tack there. Same on this back side, tie in both pieces. But that way the wheel is a little bit more center and not inset. Might help with the tipsy-totter factor. So let's get that welded up. And we'll go ahead and put the other ones on the other end. Start setting things in place. Let's see how well it really fits. And I'm liking that. What do you think? Got room for something right here? Or slide that over. Probably put a couple hooks on the side over here to be able to hang cords, since these aren't disconnectable. I'm liking it. Got some more work to do, but guess what? It's time for me to go eat some dinner. I'll be back. That was a good dinner. Now let's get back to work. So I got it back out on the table. Hold on. Boop. I'm gonna go ahead and weld up some uprights here. That way I have something to strap the tanks to. So we've got this level-ish, and I'm kind of matching that same level to this. So we should be good. We'll go ahead and weld that up. All right, let's go ahead and get some paint on this bad boy before it rains out here. Well, I probably should have done this before I painted, but it's what it is, right? No going back now. Got a little eyelet. I had a wood screw on the end. I drill a hole, just weld it in right there for the chain to hold the tank in place. Should have done all this before I painted, but hindsight's 20/20, right? Okay, now I just gotta hold it in place while I weld it. Nice. Wonder how that's gonna go. Somebody mind holding that for me? Sure would make life a lot easier. Never mind, I got it. Gotta repeat on the other side. Good enough, right? You can't see it from your house? Perfect. Oh, and I tried finding a piece of wood for the bottom. I'm sorry. All I could find was a piece of wood for the bottom. I could not find a plate to weld in there, so it's like 3/4 inch ply. It ain't going anywhere. What do you think? I can tell you this much. I'm hot. I'm tired. It's getting late. It's time to go in. It's been a long week. Very long week. So, everything's on. Everything's good. Except for one minor thing. Heh. Too much of a gap. So, let's put a big AC zip tie around for now. So I guess that's what, zip tie for the win? Nice and solid with that on there. She ain't gonna fall. We'll definitely come up with something different to help hold it in place. Because now I got at least room for a second tank. In case, oh, I don't know, ever decide to MIG weld? Highly doubt that'll happen, but you never know. So guys, I appreciate you being here. Thank you so much for sticking around. Use what you got. Make things happen. Make things work. It's the key to things. Anyway, be safe, be healthy. Until the next time, be good.